Hello YouTube, this is DrawingKid1313, and today I have something pretty cool that I want to show you. This is a program that I've been working on, and basically what it does is it keeps track of your gas mileage. This is very useful if you have like a car or anything and you want to figure out how many miles to the gallon you're getting and, kind of keep track of spending and all that, which is what I want to do, which is, well, why I made this program. So let's go ahead and run it, and I'll show you what it does. So right here it says enter the current mileage. One thing to note, it pulls information from a text document. Let me go ahead and show you that. There, right here. Yep. Alright, so right here, it pulls everything from a text document. When you first start out, what you want to do is you want to set everything else to 0. Alright, because you haven't entered anything in yet. Right here, you're going to put the mileage of your car from the last time you filled up. Alright. And with this, you're going to enter in the mileage of your car when you filled up the next time. Alright, so you kind of write down your mileage each time you fill up the gas tank. And this program assumes that you just filled it up all the way and you didn't fill it up more than it can handle, so just make sure you do that. So my current mileage right now is 16,9091. Alright, 169,091 miles are on my car. Yeah, I know it's pretty high up there, but I'm gonna press enter and it's gonna say enter the price per gallon. I have my receipt right here, and the price per gallon was $3.62, and they always add a 9 on the end because that's how they make more money. So they're actually charging you $3.63 instead of 362. All right, so press enter, and then it's going to ask for the total price. My total price was $47.20. I'm going to press enter, and it's going to give you all this stuff. It says the miles driven, 372 miles. It says the gas used, 13 gallons. It says the miles per gallon, 28.6 miles per gallon. That's pretty good. I was proud of that. And then right here it says the average miles per gallon and the average price per gallon. Now the reason why I can give you the averages is because if we take a look at the text document now, everything is now saved on there. It has the new mileage. It has the price per gallon that's just kind of stored just because. It has a gallons pumped that's not really needed, but it's stored just because. The total price per gallon, so it keeps track of the total price per gallon. That way it can go ahead and get the average price per gallon. And then the total miles per gallon, so it can get the average miles per gallon. Because right here it keeps track of the total entries. So let's say, and I'm just kind of making this up at this point because obviously I just entered in because I just filled up today. So let's say that we drove 100 miles. There we go. So now our mileage is 169,191. Actually, no, let's just say that we drove 300 miles. 391. Alrighty. So we drove 300 miles, and let's say the price per gallon was, let's say it went up because that's probably what it's going to do. 370. Alright. Press enter. It's going to ask you for the total price. Let's say that we, hold on. Calc. I just want to make sure that like it kind of fits in with the data. So let's say that we got about 10 gallons of gas. So that would be 37. Alright, so let's say that we spent $37, because that would be buying 10 gallons of gas. And right here it's going to say, you drove 300 miles. You used 9.9 gallons of gas. Average miles per gallon, or your miles per gallon for that trip was 30. And your average price per gallon was, your average price per gallon is 366, and your average miles per gallon is 29. So it keeps track of everything that you enter so that you can go ahead and use this program over and over again, and it doesn't just tell you the one time that you used it. Now you may be asking, well, how does it do that? Well, I'm going to give you a brief explanation on how it does it. I found this code on here, which will go through each line of the text document. I don't exactly know how it works, but I know that it works. And basically right here, what it does is it opens up the text document that you store all the information to. While there's still info on the line, so while there's still something on the line and it's not just a blank line, it'll go ahead and repeat this process. Let me turn my computer mouse on. There we go. It'll go ahead and repeat this process. It'll create a temporary string variable called line, and it'll write that it'll write each line into that string document or string variable. There we go. So basically it's going to go through each line. It starts at 1 because I have x set to 1 somewhere. Or sorry, x equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 because that's actually the first line. It's confusing how it works. And then each time this runs through, x increases by 1, so it goes to the next line. And basically what it's looking for is it's looking for a keyword in each of the beginning of the line. If it finds that word, it goes to the next line and goes ahead and writes the next number into some of the variables that I have, like the last mileage, total miles per gallon, total price per gallon, and all that fun stuff. So that's basically how it works. Then it does a whole bunch of math and outputs the answer and outputs the new information to the text document, so that you can keep using it. So I just thought this was really cool. I'm really proud that I finally got this working, and I finally had to buy gas today. So I figured I would make a video of it. So I want to thank you for watching. As with all of my other programs that I show you, if you really want to have the source file for yourself and you want to use this program, for your car or something, or you want to give it to your parents, I don't know what you want to do with it. But you can go ahead and just send me a message through YouTube, and I'll go ahead and upload it to Mediafire and send you the link. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and just hope that you join me for the next video. See ya.